let's encourage fellow women to participate in our events, because through that then we build their capacity and we encourage them to take over from the mantle once we are gone.
That this meeting is coming at a time when most of our African countries are experiencing a revolution in the ICT sector. In Kenya, we recognize ICT as the driver towards the digital transformation of our economy and the attainment of the Big Four agenda of universal health care, affordable housing, food security, and manufacturing.
Will specifically focus on what the resolutions portend for this region. It is also an opportunity for us to see how the region can leverage these global decisions to catalyze the growth of communication services and spur the development of our countries and the lives of our people.
Issu de la résolution de la CR mai 2019, le Cameroun a pris part à cet atelier. Il a été très édifiant, très enrichissant, bien que étant très technique. J'ai pu retenir qu'il y a des positions orbitales que chaque État devrait préserver. Et au sortir de cet atelier, il y a eu des résolutions qui ont été adoptées. Et chaque pays a un délai pour soumettre à l'UIT afin de ne pas perdre sa position satellitaire orbitale. C'était très édifiant. Merci le Kenya.
The 31 member states that are here, were here or are here the whole of this week, are dealing with the same issue, that we gotten our slots degraded over years on account that we didn't do due diligence. Now we are here, we've been here the whole week trying to learn of getting the new one, not only that, to ensure that in the future we don't get our slots being degraded again. So as in terms of the outcome, I think the outcome is good because we're dealing with a very complex issue, and I think ADU did a good job to ensure that all of the 31 member states come together to coordinate, because if I were to coordinate alone at home or within the region of SADC, then it will mean that I will not take into cognizance the fact that maybe other ADU members are also vying for the slot that I'm vying for, and then it will mean that I'll get a result which will not be good for both of us. So it's good that we are here, we are both coordinating, and the outcome is good because we all have gotten very good EPM margins as compared to the current slot. So yeah, I can say that I'm really happy that we are here and we've gotten the good outcome.
So it is a big challenge for me because the follow-up, the procedure is very difficult. So the workshop, it is a big opportunity to us, especially the least developed countries, Africans especially. So the outcomes from this workshop is very beneficial. So our expectation is more than expect what the BR helped us to do submission, procedures. So it is a very full useful workshop, and when we come our home, we'll keep continue to procedures. We keep continue to follow up the procedure steps and so on.
You are a representative of ladies in those boards. Please encourage young lady engineers to participate in our events, because in this country, I'm told, if you are in a meeting and a third of the meeting are not ladies, nobody will listen to you.